Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. So in today's video, we will do an exercise on quadrilaterals. In the previous videos, I have explained what are types of quadrilaterals and what are the properties of a parallelogram. If you haven't those videos yet, I suggest you to watch those videos before watching this video. For that, I will put the video link in the description box below. That video will help you to understand today's concepts. Okay, so now let's jump into the video. So friends, here we have question number 1. Let us read it. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Okay, so all the properties of parallelogram you have to keep in mind. Okay, and here so many students have confusion that here we need to draw a figure. Okay, but which figure should we draw? Okay, to prove it we have to draw a figure. Here so many students have confusion that which figure we should draw, parallelogram or rectangle. So friends, rectangle is also a parallelogram, and here in this statement we have to prove that the given parallelogram is a rectangle. Okay, finally it will be a rectangle, so we should draw a rectangle. So draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Let us name it A, B, C, D, and let us draw its diagonals, which are AC and DB. Now the first thing that we should write given. What is given here? What is given here? See friends, this part is given. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, it is given. It means we should write given a parallelogram ABCD and AC is equal to BD. It is given. To prove, what do we need to prove? This one. Show that it is a rectangle. Okay. So ABCD is a rectangle. We have to prove it. Okay, how we will prove it? Okay, see here, if we prove that one angle of this parallelogram is 90 degree, then we can prove that this figure is rectangle. But how we will reach there? Okay, so here we have to take two triangles. We have to choose two triangles, and we have to prove that those triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, so here let us take two triangles. Okay, triangle ABC is it? Okay, and another triangle. Take another triangle DCB. Take another triangle DCB. Okay, so here in these two triangles, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, in triangle ABC and triangle DCB, I am writing in an order. Okay, we know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. It means AB is equal to DC. It means here we can write AB is equal to DC. And you can see here BC. BC is common to both the triangles. So BC is equal to CB. BC is equal to CB. Okay. So here you can write given. Here you can write given. Okay, here you can write common. Here you can write, you have to write reason also. Okay, whichever equation you are writing, okay, you have to mention the reason. And another thing is, here one more thing is given. Okay, here see, AC is equal to BD. So in triangle ABC, AC and AC, and in triangle DBC, BD. These two are equal. It means AC is equal to BD. This is also given. Okay. Now which rule? So friends, here yes, S, S. So here by S congruency, therefore by S congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB. I hope it is clear. Okay, things are clear till here. Now we have proved that we have chosen two triangles. Those two triangles are congruent to each other. Now we need to prove that one angle of this parallelogram is 90 degree. So here we can use CPCT. By CPCT, what is CPCT? CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. It means if two triangles are congruent to each other, we can equate the corresponding parts equal. Okay. So here we need angle. So here we can write that angle B is equal to angle C. Here we can write that angle B is equal to angle C. What is the reason? CPCT, by CPCT. Okay. Angle B is equal to angle C. And also C. You can see here, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel to each other. It means AB is parallel to DC. And you can see that BC is a transversal. BC is a transversal. Okay, BC is a transversal. See here, if two lines are parallel and one transversal cut, one transversal cuts like this or one transversal cut like this, then interior angles are formed. Okay, so these are called co-interior angles. Co-interior angles, and the sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Okay, therefore angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Okay, but here we can write angle B as it is, and in the place of angle C we can write angle B. Why? Can you say why? Because here we have already proved. Okay, angle B is equal to angle C. Here we can write proved above. We can name it equation number 1. So we can write by equation. We can write from equation 1. We can write from equation 1. From equation 1. Okay, so angle B plus angle B, 2 times of angle B. So 2 angle B is equal to 180 degree. It means angle B is equal to 180 divided by 2. It means angle B, it implies what? Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, it means we have proved that angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, we have proved that angle B is equal to 90 degree. It means parallelogram ABCD is a rectangle. It means ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, hence proved. Hence proved. Isn't it easy? Okay, now let's move to the next question. So friends, here we have question number 2. Let us read it. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Okay, so here there should be no confusion because we have to draw a square only, because we are talking about a square only. So here let us draw a square. So in a square all the sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. Let us name it A, B, C, D. Let us draw its diagonals AC and BD. Diagonals intersects. Let the diagonals intersect at O. Okay. Now write given. We have to write given. So what is given? Given is square ABCD, and it is also given that diagonals bisect each other, and we have to prove that diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So it is given that AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. BO is equal to OD. So here we have to prove two things. Okay. So what are those? Diagonals equal. Okay, we have to prove AC is equal to BD. And also we have to prove that diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. It means we have to prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now we will start proof. Okay, so here also we have to choose two triangles. Here we have to choose two triangles such that we can find the diagonals in those two triangles. So let us take triangle ABC. Here we can see diagonal AC. Now choose triangle DCB. Here we can see diagonal BD. Okay, now let us try to prove congruent. Okay, so here in triangle ABC and triangle DCB, friends, we know that in a square all the sides are equal. It means opposite sides are also equal. So we can write that AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC. So we can say that AB is equal to DC. Okay, and we know that each angle is 90 degree. It means angle B is equal to angle C. See here, angle B is 90 degree. Okay, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so it is given. Why? Because it is given that it is a square. It is also given each angle is 90 degree in a square. Okay, now here you observe this. Here you can see that BC is common side. Okay, BC is equal to BC. BC is equal to CB. What is this? Common side. Okay, BC is common here. Now therefore you can see here one corresponding side, here one corresponding angle, and here one corresponding side. So which rule? By SAS congruency triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB. Therefore, okay, by CPCT. Okay, CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So by CPCT we can write that ACC in triangle ABC we can take AC, in triangle DCB we can take BD. So we have proved that the diagonals are equal to each other. Okay, diagonals are equal. One part We have proved one part. Okay, now for the other part, again we have to choose two triangles. Okay, for that I need to draw this figure once again. Let us erase it. Once again I will draw the same figure. See, so that you could understand it properly. See, A, B, C, D. Now here this is diagonal AC and this is diagonal BD. This is diagonal AC and this is diagonal BD. So here intersects at O. Now choose two triangles. Okay. So here choose triangle AOB and choose triangle BCOB. COB. Okay. Now let us write. In triangle AOB and triangle COB. Okay, I am writing in an order. So here you can see that in these two triangles, here it is given. See, here it is given that AO is equal to OC. It is given or not? So here you can use it. Okay, in triangle AOB and COB, AO is equal to CO. Clear? Now you can see here that in a square all the sides are equal. It means adjacent sides are also equal. It means AB is equal to CB. AB is equal to CB. Okay, it is also, you can write given. You have to mention the reason also, given. And BO is equal to DO. It is also given. So now you can see here that by this is corresponding side, this is also one corresponding side, this is also a corresponding side. Therefore, by SSS rule, we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. Okay, so therefore by CPCT, therefore by CPCT we can write that angle AOB is equal to angle COB. Clear? And also AC is a straight line. You can see AC is a straight line. Okay. Here angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Linear pair. So angle AOB is angle AOB plus angle COB is angle AOB. Proved above. 180 degree. Okay. So angle AOB plus angle AOB is 2 times of angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. It means angle AOB is equal to 180 divided by 2. It means 90 degree. So we have proved here that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Next step I will write here. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So it means diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Hence proved. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topics very well. Still, if you have any doubt, you can watch my previous videos where I explained properties of parallelogram, because if you watch that video will help you to understand today's concepts. Okay. Also,
And
if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, please share to your friends. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.